unboxing for new fidgets. I just got this. So excited. I have all of this. So I'm going to be trying a few things. First, I will be trying this, I think it's like a DNA ball. This is actually pretty good. I like this one. I think I give this a pretty good rating. Next, I'm going to do these monkey noodles. I really like these monkey noodles. They're actually pretty satisfying. I really like them. Yeah. They're just like, I was just saying. But they're just monkey noodles. And then I have acupressure rings. I think I have a few more of them, but I haven't found them yet. I really like these acupressure rings. They're really good. Let me try the gold one. The gold one's pretty good too. So, yeah. I'm gonna try this pea popper. I really like this pea popper. It's really cute. It's a really cute pea popper. This is my other pea popper. It has a different face, so it's kind of funny. Next I'm going to do this bike chain. I really like the color of this one. I like the color green on it. I like it a lot. It's a pretty good bike chain. I mean, I definitely don't regret getting this. It's pretty good. Next I'm going to try this dimple. Okay, so I got the dimple first try. Okay. Oh yeah, this is definitely the louder side. So this is the bad side. This is the good side. I like this a lot. I would definitely rate this good. Next I have Wacky Tracks. I'm gonna get them open. Okay, this is the first time I'm using them. These are pretty good Wacky Tracks. Now let's try the vanilla one. Yeah, I think this is one of the best Wacky Tracks that I've ever tried. Next I have these marble mesh. I'm gonna try the blue one because blue is my favorite. I like this one a lot. It's pretty satisfying. We can play with this all day. I'm gonna try the green one. The green one's pretty good too. Last but not least, I have red. The red one is pretty good. I would also give these a pretty good rating. Next I have an infinity cube. Let's get it open. Okay, finally got it open. This is a really good infinity cube. I like it a lot. It's pretty good. I just dropped it, obviously. Yeah, that's a pretty good infinity cube. It also moves pretty smoothly. So, yeah, I really like it. Next I have this Pop-It. I'm gonna get out of the wrapping. Okay, I got it out. I think this is the bad side. Now I'm gonna try the good side. That's pretty good Pop-It. I really like this one. It's I think I really like this one. And it's rainbow, so. Last but not least, I have this fidget pad. Let's give it a go. I really like this fidget pad. That's it. Bye.